Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Weeks by David. Today I would like share my opinion about this gun. This is Brilliant Tools gun powered by KS Tools. This is very strong impact wrench, 3/4 drive on it. Lubricant must be applied daily in here on the inlet, and also the front drive must be greased in here. Yeah, it's a wee bit heavy. The weight is 2.2 kilograms and power of this gun is 1850 Newton meters. So it's really strong for car use or farm use, even if you have a farm. It's one gear on the reversing and 3 steps on the torque on the right position. Yeah, so what I would like to tell you is the cheapest gun what you can get from Amazon for a really good price. Some data about this gun: 3/4 drive, 1850 Newton meters, 2.2 kilos of weight, maximum speed 8,000 and a half, 200 liters of air per minute. The hose for gun, the air hose for gun is 12.5 millimeters, but the requirement is 10 millimeters be enough. But for my use, 12.5 I think is better. I would like torque a bolt for over 200 Newton meters and show you how quick it is. So I would like torque this bolt with my torque wrench for 210 Newton meters. Here is a bolt. Here is a bolt. I will torque it for 210 Newton meters. Bolt is tight. Now you can see how the easy wheel comes off with this gun. Look at this. Just half second. I think just half second, and this, yeah. So it's really quick and really good. I don't think that you can get something better for 80 points. Yeah, like so. Brilliant Tools, I think is good brand and good brand for this price. Yeah, I got another one in my workplace and I work on it about a year. I using it each day and working fine. So I am very happy with this gun. If you guys like this gun, just not wait, just buy it. Yeah, it's a really good gun for this price. I can recommend it. You will be happy, and I don't think that you can get it cheaper. Like, yeah, what I can do is give you a product number is BT160200. If you guys are happy with my review about this gun, please subscribe my channel and leave like and comment. Thank you very much.